Ah, summer, a season of adventure beckons, from sun-drenched beaches to serene weekend retreats. But as any seasoned traveler knows, the key to a seamless journey is traveling light, especially when it comes to packing the essentials. And what could be more essential than the right eyewear? Enter ThinOptics, your summer travel MVP, offering a lineup of stylish and functional reading glasses, blue light blockers, and sunglasses designed for the modern wanderer. With ThinOptics, you're not just choosing eyewear, you're choosing a travel companion that's as ready for adventure as you are. Our Wanderlust and Timeless Sunglasses collections are your round-trip ticket to effortless style and protection. Choose from the Menlo Park and Los Altos styles for a modern twist, or opt for the classic vibes of the Mountain View and Palo Alto sunglasses. Whichever you pick, you're guaranteed polarized lenses that block 100% of UV rays and minimize glare, all while elevating your summer style. But what about those moments when you need to switch gears from basking in the sun to reading a menu or checking a map? That's where our ultra-thin pince-nez style readers come in. Imagine glasses as light as 2 credit cards and available in a spectrum of frame colors. These readers aren't just a statement of style, they're a testament to innovation, designed to be there when you need them without weighing you down. And because we know that the best adventures are the ones where everything you need is within reach, we've crafted a variety of case solutions to match your lifestyle. From the universal pod that attaches to your smartphone to the discreet keychain case, your ThinOptics readers are always just an arm's length away. This summer, make the smart choice. Pack light, travel smart, and let ThinOptics ensure your journey is as clear and stylish as your destination.